What's going on? Welcome back to Mike Builds. Today I got something cool to show you guys. Of course, I bought it at my favorite store in the world, Harbor Freight Tools. So recently I went in there to buy a solar panel. And when I was checking out, I saw this. And Harbor Freight's been selling this Jupiter brand inverters for a long time. However, they haven't had the pure sine wave, which if you're going to buy an inverter, don't not buy one that's not pure sine wave. Otherwise all your stuff's going to buzz and make all this crazy ass noise. Anyways, long story short, we ended up with this one. It's a 2,000 watt, 4,000 watt peak. The thing I've noticed about peak rating on these is it's like really microseconds small, so maybe we can try to find a way to test that. Anyways, without further ado, we're gonna open it up. I'm really excited for this. Okay, it comes in a nice box, so you get your instructions, so you can just immediately shred that. Oh yeah. And the good thing about this inverter is it feels heavy, and when you buy something electronic, if it's heavy, the heavier it is, the better it has to be. So, and then you also get, I thought this was cool. So there's like a remote trigger switch, so you can mount this if you're like in an RV or something. You can mount this away from the inverter, and then you have like this telephone cable or whatever. Plug that in the inverter, and then it's all remote mounted. So may or may not use that, probably not. But it's cool that they give it to you instead of having to buy it separately. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, it's got two big fans on, or two medium-sized fans on the back. And hopefully this isn't like my other inverter where the fans don't run until it needs them and then they scream. That's the only thing I don't like about my other inverter on my setup. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, so the entire shell is aluminum. This is all extruded aluminum. That's really nice. It appears that this is plastic, and then the front is also plastic. Some venting right here. So that's what it looks like. Here's the other side. Big warning label. So pretty cool. Your inputs and outputs are right here. It tells you use only number 2 gauge cabling up to 6 feet long. And then your negatives right here and your positive right here, and those look super heavy duty. You got some big bolts to put some big copper lugs on and run your wiring and all that good stuff. If you're gonna run a 12 volt inverter with this many watts, because 2,000 watts on the AC side is gonna be, that's like 200 amps on the DC side. So you're gonna have to have a monster sized DC cabling if you're actually gonna pull this much wattage. For me, when it comes to this kind of stuff, especially these cheaper Chinese inverters, I try not to max these out. There's other YouTube channels that do, you know, they put them on their inverter dyno. I'm gonna keep this around 1,000, and I think it'll live a long life. So, oh, sorry, I forgot to show you guys the front. Zoom that in a little bit. This thing's really heavy. So it's got like a little power panel. That'll be kind of cool to see that. And then what looks like a good quality GFCI outlet. So pretty neat. Just wanted to do a little unboxing of it. I think in a future video, maybe we can install it on our solar power station over there. That's on another video. But this is just an unboxing video, so if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let me know what you guys think I should do with this thing. So see you in the next one.